Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to 4x minus number 5. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have number 4 dx. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. dv that is about this one. So the integration of this one, we have 1 over 2. So number 2 that is from 2x. And we have sine 2x plus number 3. So we have u multiplied by v. Minus we have the u multiplied by v. Number 4 divided by number 2. We have number 2. So we have the integration sine 2x plus number 3 dx. So the integration of this one, we have negative 1 over 2 cosine 2x plus number 3. And I will put about c. So negative number 2 and negative 1 over 2, we simplify. So we just have only cosine 2x plus number 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.